I've got you tattooed on the inside of my arm, so I can see your face when I go to sleep at night.
Yo, this thing is beautiful.
Texas lifestyle, man.
I'm not letting my girl around you, that's for sure. You could say I attempted at it soon.
Okay.
Little bit.
Vlog out, vlog out. Hey, Gingy, take care of us back here.
I'm gonna do a burnout.
Do it, no balls.
Nice.
Do the quesadilla drag.
Oh, fuck. Quesadilla drag. Sorry.
Yo, he's
Hold on, Gingy's crazy.
Do you think there's a lot of cops around here? We good? Stay down.
Oh my god!
Look at her, broke her neck right there.
Goddamn, Gingy, I got a ride later. We're still going pretty fast.
Oh, dude, I'm so mad. Like, this is how I get hurt.
Damn, I gotta get the angles. Damn. Oh, the sketch. What's up, Gingy?
Flip it.
Jeez. Yeah, no. Devastating.
So you trying to edit a video? Did you pull out on that thing? It seems like it's way too rich. What did you say? Trains out here in Baltimore. Oh, the foot drag.
You're a little subtle, boy.
Woo. Oh.
Oh, he said this. He said you gotta wiggle it.
Aren't they upside down?
No, the pegs are upside down.
Plastic mix up.
I would never know that was it. And I'm like, what's up was weird about the pegs,
Oh, the chain.
A little funky. Yeah, it's a little janky.
It's just a little clappy.
She'll give a round of applause if you treat her right.
I know they go right, I would die for my guys. They get it, so I'm leaving with it. Ain't worried about I get my word from a narco.
Can chest out them shocks?
She good?
That fitment is key.
I've got you tattooed on the inside of my eyes, so I can see your face when I go to sleep at night. Why you wanna argue, baby? Why you wanna fight?
I see you.
That supermoto. Ooh, get up to the medium spot.
Doing that puddle crossing.
Yo, shout out to this guy for giving me the pass on this crispy 125 supermoto.
Shut your dumb ass up.
Shout out to Havoc. Use code GOES15, 15% off your order.
Thanks. Do something cool finally.
Whoa. Swear that, Roy. I swear that's. I'm trying to be the nastiest too.
The only thing is, I hope the roads drying up a little bit.
Yo, I like your goggles. No, you want to switch lenses? That's why I love the Havocs, bro. Let's go.
Damn, yo.
This ain't Bob, like, I don't care. Yeah? That's wild.
Ah, take the turn. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Tryna get rich, pull up to the scene, they all start getting lit. Feeling all the pressure, they depending on the kid. The whole family with me, cause that's the way we live.
Look, bro.
That's the way we live. That's the way.
Gotta mix that two-stroke.
That's the way we live. Mom said that I'm the GOAT.
Look at that 125 though.
Now I got my comfort. confidence. Sticking to this flow, cause I feel I'm going in. And I never planned to choke, but forgive me if I did. I'm feeling on top, and that all comes from within. Then go to school, just so I could chase my dreams. And I know that
Hey, there it is.
they're judging, but they don't know what it means. Risk it all in a shot, know this. Life isn't too stable, cause I know if I don't make it one day I'm stuck busting tables. Trying to get the bus and ride down, pull up to the crib. Also need to slow down, homies running way. Got a couple racks.
Yo, this is, bro,
rich.
this is so much fun. I forget how awesome the South is.
Now I got my confidence, into this flow, cause I feel I'm going in. And I never planned to choke, but forgive me if I did. I'm feeling on top, and that all comes from within. No, then go to school.
I'm with that thing, bro. Cop right there. Well, the pack just got split up. Oh, is everyone going to get gas? Oh no. Okay. Alright, so the pack just got split in two. We're going into downtown with a car behind us. This is not protocol.
Just so I can chase my dreams. And I know they're out there judging, but they don't know what it means to risk it all in a shot. Know this life isn't too stable.
All we need is a few cops with their lights on to turn this into a show.
I know if I don't make it one day.
With Steele's hat. Should I take it? Woo! Ryan, he loves the traffic.
Some bus and tape, trying to get the bus and ride down, pull up to the crib. Also need to slow down, homies rolling way. Got the homies rolling way. Got the couple racks on my mind. Trying to get rich, yeah, we trying to get rich.
Oh, she's scraping in the rain.
Up to the scene, and they all start getting lit. Feeling all the pressure, they depending on the kid. The whole family with me, cause that's the way we live. That's the way we live, that's the way we live. Did it done before, now I wanna do it again. Sticking to my gut, just my family and my friends. Tried to open up, but don't think that I can. It's hard to trust.
She's mad.
For more Zach Goes videos, subscribe to the Zach Goes Raw YouTube channel. Zach Goes Done Store.